Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at Task 4 of the Trinity ISE II Speaking and Listening Test, Independent Listening. This task lasts about 10 minutes, and the recording is played twice. The key is simple. First, listen for the main idea. Then, listen for the information in the question. Let's go through it step by step.
First listening. Listen for the gist. First, the examiner introduces the recording, and you listen to it for the first time. Your main job is to understand the gist, the general idea. Don't try to remember every word. Ask yourself, what is this talk mainly about? For example, Trinity's official practice task, A Nightmare Weekend, is about a bad hotel experience. After the first listening, the examiner asks you to explain generally what the speaker was talking about. You only need 1 or 2 sentences. For example, the talk is about a bad experience at a hotel. The speaker describes several problems with the hotel and its service. That's enough. Don't start giving all the details yet. Next, the examiner gives you the question for the second listening. This is very important. The question tells you what information to listen for. For example, what problems did they have at the hotel? Now your focus is clear. Listen for the problems. Don't try to remember everything from the recording. Listen for information that answers the question. Third listening. Take keywords. The recording is played a second time. This time, you can make notes if you want to. Your notes are not assessed, so don't worry about spelling or grammar. And don't try to write full sentences. Write short keywords. For example, TV remote, broken. No hot water. Restaurant, poor. Breakfast, problem. These notes are simply there to help you remember the important information. You don't have to make notes, but they can be very useful. 4. Different questions need different notes. This is one of the most important things to remember. The question will tell you what to listen for. For example, the question might ask about the order of events. Your notes could be train delayed, missed bus, taxi, arrived late. Then your answer could be, first, the train was delayed. Then they missed the bus. They took a taxi and finally arrived late. Notice what you did. First, then, finally. You followed the order of events. Another question might ask about advantages and disadvantages. Then you could organize your notes like this. Advantages, save time, convenient. Disadvantages, expensive, stressful. Your answer could be, one advantage is that it saves time and is convenient. However, one disadvantage is that it can be expensive and stressful. The important point is don't prepare one fixed answer for independent listening. Prepare to listen for the information the question asks for. Trinity practice materials include questions about things such as opinions, ideas, advantages and disadvantages, and other specific information. Don't panic when you hear difficult words. You will probably hear some words you don't know. That's normal at B2 level. Don't stop listening because of one difficult word. Keep going. Very often, the next sentence gives you more information. Your goal is not to understand every single word. Your goal is to understand the main points and find the information you need. Your final answer. After the second listening, the examiner asks you the question again. You have 1 minute to speak. This is where your notes can help. A useful way to organize your answer is point plus detail. For example, they had several problems at the hotel. The TV remote didn't work, and there was no hot water. They also had problems with the restaurant and breakfast. You don't need complicated vocabulary. Make sure your answer is relevant, clear, based on the recording.
and use your 1 minute wisely. So, remember these 4 steps. First, listening. Understand the gist. What is the talk about? After the first listening, give the general idea in 1 or 2 sentences. Second listening, listen for the information in the question. Take short keyword notes if they help. Final answer. Answer the question clearly within 1 minute.
And remember, don't listen for everything. Listen for what the question asks you to find. If the question asks about events, listen for the sequence. Advantages and disadvantages, listen for positive and negative points. Opinions, listen for what the speaker thinks. Specific information, listen for the relevant details. That's the key to independent listening. Listen for the gist first, then use the question to guide your second listening. Stay calm, use your notes wisely, and answer clearly. Good luck with your Trinity ISE II B2 exam. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you want more Trinity B1 mock exams. Stay confident, prepare smart. You can pass Trinity B1.